Hello guys, this is me again from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today I have a special edition here because I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. Why? Because my wife, my son and I, we flew out of Colorado last December 19 to come here to Georgia and go by car to spend time with the rest of the family in Gallenburg, Tennessee. After that, for Christmas time, we spent almost a week over there. Then we came back to Atlanta, Georgia. So in one of the celebrations that we were doing here with my stepson, all my family, we went to his friend's house, and for some reason, one of his friends, he recognized me for one of my videos here in Georgia. Why? I believe that is because my mentor is here in Georgia. He followed me in YouTube, in my social media, and also I have a few other partners from the private group that also they live here in Georgia. So for some reason, that person recognized me, and we started to talk about his floor, and he told me, Jason, why we don't take advantage that you are here and check it out, my floor. So I came to this house 2 days ago, and I did an assessment for him, and he doesn't know exactly what to do. I told him that the best option, it was going to be full sanding, because for some reason somebody 4 years ago, he did his floor. Apparently he wasn't a professional, and he left a big mess. You will see in a little bit. But for now, he just wants to improve the color of the floor because he's losing so much stain. It's very shiny because he applied a glossy oil finish over there. So, but let me flip it out the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing. All right, like I said, look at this. Totally different than Colorado, huh? Such a big trees here. Oh, but it's so nice. The weather is right now around 45 degrees and it feels a little chilly, but it's nice. But anyway, guys, we have around 500 square feet. It's a small area. And look at this floor. All this is a stain. This is the dog of the owner. His name is Pedro, by the way. But you can see here, look at this, how much stain he's losing everywhere. Basically, he doesn't have protection. Here in the kitchen always is the most difficult area because there is a lot of traffic on it. Right here you can see. And actually, to be able to do this job, just because I don't have all my equipment here, I told him every single thing that he needs to rent it out if he doesn't have. And one of the machines, the buffer, you can see, he just rented from Home Depot. So I'm gonna be doing also, I usually don't use this kind of screening. I use other one, but this one is gonna be good. So more pad to give support to the buffer. But anyway, guys, this is the floor that I'm gonna be doing a screen and recoat, and also I'm gonna use a satin finish because the glossy one that he has show more all the imperfections that he has on the floor when they did a full sanding around 4 years ago. You can see all the imperfection from the drum sander when you don't know how to use it. Look at this, all those pivots. It's unbelievable. I don't know, to be honest, who did this job, but it was a really, really bad one. But anyway, for now, he just want, like I said, improve it. And that's it. So we'll see how this floor came out. Alright guys, I'm back here to show you the progress after we screen all this floor. Look at this, it's all screened and vacuum also. Now we are going to clean and tack, let it dry, and do the huge color correction that we need to do basically in almost all the floor. Look at this right here. So right now, just because it's a little dirty white, you cannot see, but it's really in bad shape. The discoloration that this floor has here in the kitchen, you can see. But yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I'm back here. This is the second day because actually yesterday we took time to do the color correction in the whole area and on the whole floor. As you guys know, of course, it's not gonna look 100% good because all the pivots that there is here on the floor, but look at this already with the color correction. It looking so much better. But yeah, so right now I just came here to apply the finish because as you guys know, here in Georgia the humidity is too high, so I applied the stain yesterday, we let it dry for the whole night, and now we just apply the finish. Alright guys, stay tuned to see the final result. Hello guys, I'm back here to show you the final result. And look at this floor. Oh wow, such a big improvement guys. This is beautiful. Let me turn on the light here. There we go. Wow. The customer is so happy with this job that also he's gonna give me a video testimony for my website. But you guys can see such a big improvement. I did color correction in the whole floor before apply the finish, and this is wow. Of course, like I said in the beginning, in the middle of the video, you guys can see all the pivots because of the full sanding job that he got a few years ago. He did a really bad job, but for now he's not in the right moment to do a full sanding because it's the right process that he needs to do here in the floor to flatten out everything. But for now he has the floor with all the color correction that I did and also new protection to avoid more damage on the floor. Alright guys, if you want this kind of service which was a screen and recoat or any other service that we offer in JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning, please don't hesitate in contact us 720-327-1127. Alright guys, see you next time.